Hey everyone, welcome back to the web guy. In this video, I'll break down one of the biggest questions in freelancing: Fiverr, Upwork versus direct client. Which one is best in 2025? I have used all three and the winner is clear. Let's start. So, first, talk about Fiverr. Fiverr is good if you are a beginner. You can create your gig, upload your previous work, and start getting order faster than Upwork. But the problem is competition is very high. Upwork take 20% fee. If your gigs down, your income goes down. Sometime you get a client is want to work very cheap and he want result very premium. So Fiverr is best but no long term growth. Next is Upwork. Upwork are more professional client here are serious, high budget and long term. You need connects even to apply for a job. So Upwork is great if you have a patience and consistency. Once again, for Upwork not control your income but Upwork control your visibility. Now let's talk about the real winner, direct client. Direct client hunting changed my complete freelancing journey. Why? Because you set your price. There are not competition like other platforms. Client come again and again to work with you. You can build your relationship with long term, and also client give you a website, a page, SEO work, updates, etc. Direct client don't waste time. Direct client don't waste your time. They want rare freelancer, not your freelance platform. So here are the final answer. Fiverr, good for beginner but unstable. Upwork, good for biggest project but competition is very high. And one of the best and my favorite is direct client hunting. Direct client hunting is best for long-term growth, communication, and building your trust. So that's why client hunting is best. So if you are watching this video, start learning client communication, client hunting, and building your trust. Thanks for watching. Make sure like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips, WordPress, AI tools, and also my journey.